Go.
Hey there folks, I'm going to tell you about your Shorelines. These are your two Shoreline plugins here. You're going to use these when you're not running on generator power. This is the front of the truck this way. So the Shoreline on the front of the truck, this is a 20 amp service. This is going to actually power the upright freezer. Make sure your site manager supplies you with an actual 20 amp service if you want to use this one. The one towards the rear of the truck, this is a standard extension cord plug-in. This is 15 amps. This is going to power your two chest freezers, your water pump, and your stereo.
Okay, go.
Okay, I'm going to plug in the two Shorelines now. You have two different extension cords, and these are normally located in the driver's compartment of the truck. You have your big beefy black one. This one is for your 20 amp service. This one has a special end on it that only fits with this connector. So that one goes in here. And the red one is for everything else that's a standard extension cord that goes towards the rear of the truck. Okay, now we're going to go inside and see what the standard extension Shore Power is going to give you. It'll power the two chest freezers, the water pump, and the stereo. We're going to go inside. Here we are in the rear chest freezer. We're running on Shore Power, and you want to make sure that the freezer is actually plugged in. So all around the van, you're going to see two outlets. When you're on Shore Power, you want to make sure all your devices are plugged into the green outlets. I'm plugging that in. We're plugged in outside, and the chest. Now we're over at the stereo. Right now the stereo is set to run on generator power. If you want the generator to run on Shoreline, you have to take all three devices out and plug them into the Shoreline outlet. That's the one with the green faceplate. Here we are at the front driver's side chest freezer. We want to run it on Shore Power. We're plugged into an extension cord outside. So we want to take the plug-in for the freezer and put it into the green outlet. This freezer is now going to run on Shoreline Power. We're now under the sink at the back of the truck. This plug-in is for the water pump, and we want to run it on Shoreline Power. So we have to unplug it from here and plug it into the outlet with the green faceplate. Now it's running on. This plug-in is for the upright freezer. This has a special plug-in on it. If we want to run this on Shoreline Power, we have to make sure we have a 20 amp Shoreline plugged in outside, and then we take this plug-in and put it in to the outlet with the green faceplate. We're now running